So you already know I'm trying to find affordable spots. Well, Happy Fries has this new fish taco combo situation and I just had to try it. Sure, you get 2 tacos and fries for $750, but I had to get my signature bacon and cheese. Yo, this look crazy right now, bro. They recently released their new fish tacos, but you know I had to get my staple bacon and cheese fries. These are fish tacos with like some veggies in there and there's some sort of sauce. Let's see what it tastes like. The fish is very crunchy and I like that. It's not a super fishy flavor and the sauce is spicy, but it's just the right amount of spice. For $750 for 2 tacos and regular fries is a steal in my opinion. It's $650 for the 2 tacos alone, and I know some places that are selling tacos for easily $800-900 for one, so it's definitely a steal and definitely worth the price. When it comes down to budget friendly meals, Happy Fries always pulls through, because I mean there's no way that you can get something like this for less than $2 grand in Kingston. I'd honestly give it like a 8.8 out of 10, and that's only because I wish that the shell was toasted just a bit more, but other than that, the flavors are immaculate. So try them out, try the fish tacos at Happy Fries, and let me know what you guys think. See you next time.